Let's return to Visual Studio and create a new project. This one we'll call For Loop Demo. Inside of main, we're going to create our for loop. Remember, it has 3 parts, so we're going to initialize I, and we're going to then say as long as I is less than 300, and we'll go back to I and give it an initial value. So we'll say I equals 0. And then after the test, we're going to have the increment I plus plus. It's most common for the increment to be by 1, but it's not required. Let's reformat this a bit. Inside the for loop, each time the for loop runs, we're going to write line hello and the value of I. Now, I is an integer, and so we need to turn it into a string. WriteLine expects a string, and so we're going to call the method toString, which is built-in method, and that will convert that integer I to a string, and WriteLine will display it. Technically, in this case, we don't really need to call toString, as WriteLine will do that for us, but it's good programming practice to make that explicit. When it runs, it very quickly counts from 0 to 299, displaying the use of a for loop.